Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're putting a Serp belt, drive belt, on a '07 Mazda 6 sedan with a 2.3 liter in it. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Open the hood. The hood release is right here by the driver's knee kick panel, and just pull on it. Safety lock is in the center. I'm just going to put my finger in there and turn it towards the driver's seat. Lift her up. Then you have the hood prop, and the indicators with the arrow. And you just put the hood prop right in. So I've put the Serp belt tool on the tensioner, which is located right below the alternator on the pulley system. And it is a 15mm socket or wrench. And you're going to push down or make it go counterclockwise in order to loosen the tensioner up. So we can take the belt off. Now the Serp belt tool will come up, and the belt's off. To start with, we have the diagram, the Serp belt diagram, and we're going to follow it. Put the belt on the crank first, and then around the AC pulley. And I'm going to go around the water pump pulley, because I definitely want it on the tensioner and put it together from the top over here. So then the belt runs underneath that mount. Goes down on the tensioner and up on the alternator. Okay, now with the tool, I'm going to push the tensioner down and slide it over the water pump pulley. So once we get the belt on, take the pulley off.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.